Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am making Christmas card. I love drawing and painting so much. You can try to make with me. You know that drawing is a beautiful art from that can capture the world around us in a unique and expressive way. It's a way of communicating ideas and emotions without words, and it can be enjoyed by people of all ages and skill levels. There is something magical about the way a simple pencil or a piece of charcoal can transform a black piece of paper into a whole new world. With just few strokes, you can create a delicious, delicate flowers and powerful ideas. This drawing is about Christmas card. You know that Christmas is a special time when families and friends come together. It happens in December and it's a happy time with lights, decorating, and gifts. People celebrate because it's the birthday of Jesus. During Christmas, we decorate our homes with colorful gifts and ornaments. We have also Christmas tree, which is like a tradition. Families give each other presents to show love and kindness. We sing cheerful songs and sometimes build snowman. If it's cold outside, people enjoy delicious food like cookies and special meals. Christmas is a time of joy, warmth, and being with the ones we care about. It makes people feel happy and thankful. It's magical season that brings smile to everyone. Happy Christmas. Thank you so much. You watching